Hey everyone, welcome to the HZ English Pod. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Liam. Today, we're talking about one tiny word that you use every single day.
Take. Sounds simple, right? But here's the thing, native speakers use it in so many different ways.
Take a shower, take a bus, take a photo, take your time. See? One word, endless possibilities.
By the end of this episode, you'll be using take like a pro in your daily conversations. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's dive in.
All right, Sophie, let's start simple. What does take actually mean?
Well, Liam, that's the tricky part. Take doesn't have just one meaning. It changes based on the situation.
Exactly. Sometimes it means pick up or grab, like I take my keys before leaving.
Sometimes it means use or consume, like I take a shower every morning.
And sometimes it's about transportation. I take the train to work.
See? Same word, completely different meanings. But don't stress, we're going to break it down step by step.
And trust me, once you get it, it'll feel totally natural.
Let's start with the most basic use. Take meaning pick up or hold something.
This is super physical. Anytime you grab something with your hands, you can use take.
For example, I take my phone from the table. Simple, right?
Or in the morning, I take my coffee mug every single day.
Here's a real-life scenario. You're leaving for work. What do you take?
I take my bag, I take my wallet, I take my keys. Definitely can't forget those.
Exactly. It's all about picking things up and carrying them with you.
Friends, practice this today. Notice what you take in your daily routine. Your book, your laptop, your water bottle.
It's that simple. Let's move on.
Now here's where take gets interesting. We use it for daily activities and routines.
Right. In English, we don't say, I do a shower. That sounds weird.
We say, I take a shower. Much more natural.
Here are some super common examples. I take a shower every morning. I take a break after 2 hours of work. I take a nap on weekends.
And when you're not feeling well?
I take medicine. Health first.
Notice the pattern. Take is all about routines, habits, things you do regularly.
And here's a pro tip. If you want to sound more natural, use take instead of do or make for these activities.
Take a break, take a walk, take a seat. Easy to remember, right?
All right, Liam, let's talk about another super useful way to use take when we're talking about time and effort.
Oh, this one's so practical. For example, it takes 20 minutes to get to my office.
Or learning a new language takes time. Patience, everyone.
Sometimes it's about effort, too. Cooking a big meal takes a lot of effort.
Notice how take here measures how long something needs or how hard it is.
You can use this structure everywhere. It takes me 10 minutes to walk to the gym. It takes 3 hours to finish this project. It takes dedication to improve your English.
Friends, start using this in your daily conversations. Talk about your commute, your tasks, your goals.
It sounds so natural, and it makes your English feel more fluent. Sophie, let's talk about getting around. How do you get to work?
I take the subway every day. Super fast.
Nice. I usually take the bus. It's more relaxing.
See, friends, we use take for all kinds of transportation. Take a bus, take a train, take a taxi, take a flight.
And when you're asking for directions, you might say, which bus should I take to the city center?
So natural, right? You'll hear this everywhere, at the airport, train stations, bus stops.
Just remember, take for transportation. It's that simple.
Now for the fun part. Common phrases with take that native speakers use all the time.
First one, take care. When do we say this?
When someone's leaving, like, bye, take care, it's friendly and natural.
Next, take it easy. If your friend is stressed, you say, hey, take it easy, relax.
Love that one. Then there's take your time. No rush, do it at your own pace.
And one more, take a look. Like, hey, take a look at this photo. Very casual.
These phrases are gold, friends. You'll use them every single day.
Let's practice. Take care. Take it easy. Take your time. Take a look.
Say them out loud right now. Go on, don't be shy.
Sophie, what are some common mistakes people make with take?
Great question. First mistake, saying, I do a shower.
Nope, it's I take a shower.
Second mistake, I make a break.
Nope, it's I take a break.
See? Small changes, big difference.
Don't worry if you've made these mistakes before. Just remember, take a shower, take a break, take a nap.
Easy fix, and your English will sound so much more natural.
All right, friends, we covered a lot today. Take is everywhere. In your routines, your travel, your conversations.
The key is to practice. Notice when you use take in your daily life. Say it out loud.
And here's your homework. Write in the comments, what do you take every day? Your coffee? Your dog for a walk? Your time?
We want to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this episode, hit that like button and subscribe to the HZ English Pod.
We've got so many more episodes coming. Real English, real conversations, real results.
Thanks for learning with us today, everyone.
Take care.
And remember, take it one step at a time. See you next time.